Jasper's 100% installation of a billet converter cover is one of the quality improvements we make to the Chrysler 62TE. OE converter covers have pads that are welded, drilled, and threaded for the flex plate bolts. Jaspers determine the weld spots are weak points, while the threads that go into the cover result in a thin layer of metal between the bolt hole and the lock-up surface on the inside of the front cover. As the flex plate stands off the front cover, it causes flex and strain at the edge of the pads. That flex causes the cover to crack and leak, either at the weak spot at the edge of the pad weld or at the edge of the thin layer of metal between the bolt hole and the lock-up surface. Jasper's solution is the 100% installation of a billet converter cover, machined from a single piece of metal. This solid ring virtually eliminates flex and weak spots. Jasper also includes a set of shorter converter to flex plate bolts with every 62TE. These bolts fit the shallower bolt holes in the billet cover, increasing the thickness between the bolt holes and the lock-up surface. It adds up to a leak-free front cover, and it's another way Jasper provides the perfect product.